Tutorial number 3.4. In this tutorial, I will draw the background used for the character in a candle in my animation titled 2019 Happy New Year.
Link of animation will be in the description box below.
Now let's get started with this tutorial. 1. Color everything in red. 2. Layer medium blue dithering on top. 3. Using the selection tool, shift everything to 1 unit to the right. 4. Layer medium blue dithering on top. 5. Copy and paste snowflakes. In tutorial 3.3, I went over how I draw my snowflakes. 6. Don't forget to include the character we just drew. Hope you liked this tutorial. Comment any thoughts, suggestions, and questions down below. Coming soon is tutorial 3.5. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Dreaming Cream.